This Tesla bot has given the future a whole new swagger. Forget sci-fi dreams. This thing is real. In an epic showcase, Tesla's Gen-3 bot said it's better than humans, danced like it was born for the spotlight, and raised the bar on what robots can actually do. Watch as it snatches a tennis ball mid-air. Not once, but twice, and proved this is cutting-edge tech in action. The future of robotics is already here, and it's got some serious game. If you're watching this and thinking, "No way, this has to be CGI," you're not the only one. The fluidity, the precision, it's almost too perfect to be real. But this is the future of robotics, and it's happening right in front of our eyes. This bot can track and intercept a fast-moving object in 3D space with mind-blowing response time. And the real kicker is its hands. The precision it takes to delicately yet firmly catch a tiny object in mid-air requires insane finger coordination and pressure control. Now, to keep it real, this demo was teleoperated, meaning a human was behind the controls. But don't let that take away from the massive achievement on display. The way human movements translate into such precise robotic action in real time is next-level engineering. And this is just the beginning. Tesla's robotics tech is evolving at breakneck speed, and as it matures, expect even more jaw-dropping capabilities. And who knows this is the data? We might be looking at the dawn of a future where robots can perform these tasks on their own. No human operator needed. And Elon Musk also dropped a bombshell about this. Tesla's new robot could be yours for just $10,000, and by 2025, thousands of these machines will be working across Tesla factories. Yeah, that's right. $10,000 for a next-gen bot that'll make even your wildest sci-fi dreams look tame. But how is Tesla pulling this off, and what tasks will these bad boys handle? When can you actually get your hands on one? Let's break it down. Now, Musk's been really clear. These robots are set to show up in places we never thought they'd belong, like homeschools or nursing homes. Sure, there's a ton of skepticism. Will they trip over their own feet, run out of juice mid-task, need a human to pull the strings? And what about safety? The big question on everyone's mind: how do we trust a robot with our kids? But before you start picturing a robot rebellion like something out of I, Robot or Terminator, relax. Optimus isn't here to take over. Instead, it's more like C-3PO or R2-D2 from Star Wars, your friendly and reliable helper. Tesla's vision is for these bots to be running tasks at scale, and we're just scratching the surface of what they can do. Now, we have already seen a ball-catching demonstration. Let's get to another fascinating glimpse of the future. A recent tweet from Sawyer Merritt offered us a close-up look at Tesla's next-gen robotic hand. This hand boasts an insane 22 degrees of freedom and put it right on the edge of human-like dexterity. This footage captured at the We Robot event reveals how far Tesla has pushed the limits of robotic hand design. The movements are smooth, fluid, and eerily natural. This hand can pull off complex poses that mirror human hand movements with laser-like precision. Each joint, each finger moves with a level of sophistication that makes it clear that this is a huge leap in biomimetic engineering. Now let's talk about the 22 degrees of freedom. That level of articulation allows this robot to perform tasks that were once considered impossible for machines. Watch it shift and adjust with the finesse of a human hand. And if you think this is just about opening jars, think again. Elon Musk himself has teased that this robot hand could one day play piano and guitar. And you actually know that these two are the most intricate musical instruments known to man. The complexity here is in pressure, timing, and coordination. Playing guitar requires perfect pressure on the fret and flawless string plucks. Piano demands the same precision, multiplied by managing multiple keys at once while controlling each note's dynamics. If Tesla can nail this, it'll redefine what robots are capable of. Also, in the latest updates from Tesla, Optimus is showing off some seriously practical skills, like watering plants, grabbing groceries, cleaning the kitchen, washing hands, and hauling items from the trunk. And these things confirm that this bot is built to handle real-world tasks. Now, Tesla's vision for Optimus is that it is a companion designed to help with everything from childcare to supporting the elderly. Right now, Optimus can chat naturally, connect with older people, and even answer kids' questions. As we know, Elon's famous for his ambitious timelines, but the rapid progress of this robot feels like it's actually different. We've already seen the bot's hand pull off jaw-dropping feats and executing complex finger movements at WeRobot. These feats make it feel like we're on the cusp of seeing some truly advanced operations sooner than expected. Now let's talk about the engineering behind this Optimus bot. Elon Musk also went into the nitty-gritty on Lex Fridman's podcast and dived deep into the insane level of detail it takes to create a robot hand like this. Doing things that a human can do is actually a very high bar. So our new arm has 22 degrees of freedom instead of 11 and has the actuators in the forearm. All the actuators are designed from scratch, from physics first principles. The sensors are all designed from scratch, and we will continue to put a tremendous amount of engineering effort into improving the hand. By hand, I mean the entire forearm from elbow forward. It's really the hand. And it gets even crazier. Musk dropped something we never thought. Tesla's goal is to make Optimus thread a needle just by looking at it. He mentioned how impressive the actuators are on this humanoid robot, particularly with the fingers. Optimus has really nice hands and fingers, you know. Yeah, and they could do some interesting manipulation. So, soft-touch robotics. I mean, one of the test goals I have is, can it pick up a needle and a thread and thread the needle just by looking? How far away are we from that? Just by looking? Maybe a year. Now, threading a needle may sound impossible for a robot at first glance, but when you break it down, it's a challenge at both the macro and micro scale. You need broad arm movements to line up the thread, then precision down to a fraction of a millimeter to hit the target. What really sets Musk's vision apart is the vision alone concept. No extra guides, no mechanical assistance. Just the robot's visual system and its ridiculously dexterous hand working in perfect harmony to nail this insanely delicate task. Think about the level of precision needed here. A fraction of a millimeter off and the whole thing falls apart. It's a flex on Tesla's insane confidence in their robotic vision systems and their fine motor control. If Tesla pulls this off, it'll be a massive leap forward for robotics. Now, what's truly electrifying here is that these aren't just lab experiments or tech demos. We're witnessing the rise of practical, adaptable robotics that could completely reshape the way we live and work. The line between human capabilities and machine feats is vanishing. And if you're as blown away by this tech as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let us know what you think about the future of robotics. We want to hear your thoughts.